So welcome all, we are going to start with a new lesson, that is problems on measurement. So before we start with this lesson, I hope you will be knowing few concepts based on the measurement. For example, if I ask you 1 centimeter or if I ask you 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters, you should be knowing the answer. If I ask you 1 meter, what is the answer? Yes, it is equal to 100 centimeter. These are the conversions. If I ask you 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? It is 10 millimeter. If I ask 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? It is 1000. So these are the basic one. You should be knowing or you should be familiar with them. For example, if 1 kg I ask, 1 kg is equal to how many grams? So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So we are going to study about this addition of, particularly now the questions are based on rupee and paisa. You can see over here kilometers and meters. Addition when part it occurs, if you are knowing the earlier lesson how to add the timings, same way we are going to do over here. So just see near the board, rupees 11.25 paise, rupee 19.55 paise. For doing addition, you are supposed to do the separate columns. This is the rupee and this is the paise. So 11.25. So this 11 is going to come under rupee and 25 paise is going to come under paise. This much is clear. The part which is when point is given, the either part of this is going to come in the other side and the remaining part is going to come over here. Addition it is, so we are going to place addition in between. 19.55 paise. 19.55 paise means what? 19 will come over here and 55 is going to come over here. Okay, so now addition we are going to do simple way. Only this addition is supposed to be written over here and this addition is supposed to be written over here. Don't take the additions carry forward over here. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10. You are knowing that. 5 plus 2 it is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Here you can see 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. That is 30 and 80. So what is 30? The answer is rupee 30. Why? Because this 30 is lying under rupee symbol. So rupee 30.80 paise. Is this clear? Now here it was 80. But for example, you consider if this answer was coming 180. Suppose this answer was supposed to be 180. Now according to our calculation, we are knowing one thing, that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. When 100 paise comes, that time we are saying that it is 1 rupee. But here 180, it is exceeding 100 paise. 180, it is exceeding 100. So what we are supposed to do? From that 180, we will subtract 100. Why 100? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we are going to remove that 100 paise. We are going to get answer 80. 80 we will place here, and that 1 rupee which was extra, which we have removed, we are going to add in this rupee section. These questions I am going to show in the next part. Only to tell you is that when the answer is exceeding 100, that time what we are supposed to do. Now we will see the next question, that is 21 kilometers 815 meter plus 35 kilometers 789 meter. So 21 kilometer 815 meter plus 35 kilometer 789 meter. So what I am going to do, 21 I am going to write over here, 815 meter I am going to write over here, 35 I am going to place over here, and 789 I am going to place over here. That is addition now, so we are going to do proper addition. 5 plus 9 is how much? It's 14. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. 1 you will carry over here. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 I am going to write over here. I am not going to take that 1 over here. So meter part is over. Kilometers now. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. But this is not your final answer. This is not your final answer. If you observe here, this part 1604, it is exceeding 1000. Why 1000? Kilometer and meter conversion I have already told you. Kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So what we will do? This 1604 which is exceeding 1000, 1604 I will write over here, minus 1000 I will do. What will be the answer? 604. That 604 I am going to place aside, and that 1000 which I have removed, 1000 means how many? 1 kilometer. That 1 kilometer I am going to add over here. That is 56 plus 1 will be 57. So my answer will be 57 kilometers and 1604 meter. Your place is not proper, that's why I cannot show it more elaborate when we will see the next example. So we are going to see one more problem based on addition. So 56 kilometer 219 meter. So 56 I am going to write over here. 219 meter I am going to write over here. 32 kilometer and 76. 32 over here and 756 over here. Simple addition we are going to do. 9 plus 6 is how much? It's 15. 1 carried over here. 5 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So 88 kilometers and 975 meter is the answer. So it is 88 kilometer 975 meter. So this will be your final answer. One more question we will take. I will just show you. We will take off kilogram and gram. What is this actual question? You will understand soon. Just see. 51 kg 750 gram, 23 kg 550 gram. There is a simple addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 5 plus 2 is 7. It is 74 kg 1300 gram. Now you can clearly see over here 1300 is exceeding 1000. Why it is exceeding 1000? We know the conversion that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. We are knowing this identity. But now over here 1300 is exceeding 1000. Here it was not exceeding 1000. That's why the answer remains as it is. But when it is exceeding 1000, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to write this number aside. 1300. By from that you are going to subtract this 1000 minus 1000. What will be the answer? 300 will be the answer. That 300 you are going to write over here. But what about this part? You have removed 1000 from this. You are remembering? So that 1000 means how many? 1 kg. 1000 gram means how many? 1 kg. So that 1 kg I am going to add over here. So that 74 got converted into 75 kg and 300 grams. So my final answer will be 75 kg and 300 gram. Okay. So we will see the subtraction question. So we are going to see the subtraction now. Here you can clearly see 24 kilometer 300 meter minus 21 kilometer 220 meter. So we are going to place under kilometer the kilometer numbers, and the one which are in meter we are going to place below them. So 24 I am going to write over here, 300 I am going to write over here, minus 21 over here and 220 over here. Fine. So we are going to do proper subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is not possible. So what we are going to do? This will be 10 and this will be 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So here you got the answer 80. Here you can see now this part and this part is not actually related over here. Calculation of this section you are going to do in this particular part itself. You are not supposed to go this side. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer is 3 kilometer 80 meter. Fine. This was very easy for you to understand, but actually the little problem occurs in this type of questions. What actually they are, just see over here. 75 kg 500 grams. It's 75 kg
500 grams. And 24 kg 750 grams. It is 24 kg 750 grams. Now here you can see it was 300 minus 220, which was very easy to subtract. But here you can see 500 minus 750. Actually you will be thinking 500 minus 750 is not possible. But we will make it possible by doing it. So here just see 500 minus 750 is not possible. So what we will do? We will cancel one number from this 75. We will cancel one particular kg from this 75. So 75 minus 1 will be how much? 74. Let it be any number. Just cancel one digit from it. 75 then you will do 74. It is 23 then do 22. It will be 20 then do 19. Okay. So 75 minus 1 what I did? I got 74. That 1 kg which I have subtracted, that 1 kg I am going to add over here. 1 kg when it will come in grams, what will be the answer? 1 kg is equal to how many grams we know? It is 1000 grams. Yes or no? So that 1 kg which I have subtracted from here, I am going to add over here. When it got converted into grams, it will be 1000. 100. 1000. Okay, 1000. This 500 I am going to add in this. What I did, this 500 I am going to add over here. Why I will add? Because 500 minus 750 was not possible. So we have borrowed 1 kg from here, which we have added over here. So that 1 kg got converted over here into 1000. And this 500 got added over here. Now 1000 plus 500 is how much? It is 1500. Yes or no? It is how much? It is 1500. So 1500 minus 750 is possible for you? Yes. 1500 minus 750 is possible for us to do. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what you will do? You will do 10 and this will be 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So this will be 14. 14 minus 7 is 7 and this will become 0. So answer is again 750. So this 750 came over here. And 74 minus 24 is 50. So 4 minus 4 is 0. We are not going to take 75 now. We are going to subtract from the 74. 74. 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is your answer. That is 50 kg 750 grams. Okay. We will see one more question based on this.
So now we are going to see one more question. 35 kilometer 200 meter minus 25 kilometer 500 meter. So 35 I am going to write over here. 200 I am going to write over here. 25 I am going to write over here. And 500 I am going to place over here. Is this clear? Okay. So if you observe, minus it is, subtraction it is, 200 minus 500 is not possible. Earlier I have told you one thing. From this 35 minus 1. 35 minus 1 will be how much? 34. That 1 kilometer you are going to add over here. 1 kilometer when it will be converted into meter, what will be the answer? 1 kilometer is equal to how much? Can you tell me? Yes, it is 1000 meter. So that 1 kilometer which I have cancelled from this, I am just going to add over here. That is 1000. This 200 I am going to cancel and I am going to add over here. So my answer will be how much? 1200. Fine. So this 1200 minus 500 is possible for me to subtract. So I will do that. 1200 minus 500. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 5 is not possible. It will be 12 and this will be 0. 12 minus 5 is 7 and 0 will come down as it is. So what will be the answer? 700 will come over here. And 34 minus 25. You are not going to do 35 minus 25 now. You are going to do 34 minus 25. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So this will be 14 and this will be 2. 14 minus 5 is 9 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So my answer will be 9 kilometer 700 meter. I hope you have understood this. We will see the question and answers soon. Thank you.